Dr. Zakir Naik is a renowned Islamic preacher and scholar, particularly known for his expertise in comparative religion. Born on October 18, 1965, in Mumbai, India, he studied medicine but later shifted his focus to Islamic studies and dawah, Islamic proselytizing. He founded the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF, in 1991, which played a significant role in promoting his lectures and activities. Key highlights of his work. 1. Comparative religion expertise. Dr. Naik is recognized for engaging in interfaith dialogues and debates, often comparing Islam with other religions like Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. 2. Public lectures. He has delivered thousands of lectures worldwide, addressing a variety of topics such as science and religion, misconceptions about Islam, and the Quran's relevance in modern times. 3. Peace TV Network. He founded Peace TV, a channel that broadcasts Islamic teachings and his lectures to millions globally. 4. Publications. He has authored several booklets and articles aimed at clarifying Islamic beliefs and addressing misunderstandings. Controversies. Dr. Zakir Naik has faced criticism for some of his statements and interpretations. In 2016, the Indian government banned IRF under accusations of promoting religious discord. He has been living in Malaysia since then, where he has been granted permanent residency. Some countries have restricted his entry or public speaking engagements due to alleged divisive rhetoric. Despite controversies, he remains a popular figure among many Muslims for his logical and analytical approach to explaining Islam. Would you like details about his debates, teachings, or any specific topic related to him?